Alright, here's the Model Y. It's just a synthetic brush. You can kind of see it right there. Alright, next is rapid prep. Oh my god. Alright, last but not least is alcohol. I use this on all the edges. Oh, this is a brand new bottle here. I use this on all the edges. Whoa, that came out fast. And I'm going to use it around this emblem. I'm not going to take the emblem off. What's up everybody? My name is Derek and I'm a PPF installer and also graphic installer. I've been doing this for 15 years. I make videos about my work and they're not necessarily how-to videos, but you can learn something if you pay attention closely. And if you have any questions about what you see, leave them down in the comments below and I'll try to get to them as fast as I can. With that being said, let's get started. Now I got it tacked down on all four corners. Now I'm just gonna install the rest, or the middle, or actually install it. So I didn't cut it perfect the first time, so that's why I had to go back and do surgery on the emblem. Normally it goes a lot quicker than that, but this is real life and it doesn't always go as planned. Anyways, the edges are just going to be drying. I'm going to kind of pack up, clean up, and then I'll tuck the edges and we'll be done. Out of here. Trip the circuit breaker with this. Let's see. Dodge. The hood had been repainted. Not very good. We are out of here. So yeah, I'm out here in Beaumont. Just finished up that Model Y. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to them. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.